Hey Utah golfers, it's springtime. Are you starting to golf more and are you starting to experience more elbow pain? Here's what you can do to help that elbow pain reduce more so you can continue to enjoy the spring and summer of golf. First off, we want to get evaluated to find out what's causing the pain. If it is the elbow or is it coming from the neck? Sometimes that pain can come from the neck and we want to rule that out first. If it is the elbow, here's the one exercise that I always give somebody. It's the eccentric exercise that can help strengthen the tendon to help the muscles of this elbow. The term tennis elbow refers to pain on the outside of the elbow, right here, right here. The term golfer's elbow refers to the pain on the inside of the elbow, right here. This is the eccentric exercise we want to do to help with tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. This is for tennis elbow. If you have pain on the outside of your elbow, you're gonna hold here, slowly lower the weight. With the other hand, lift the weight up. And so the wrist that is lifted up. So the elbow that you're working on is only lowering the weight, and your other hand is helping lift it up. For golfer's elbow, we're going to palm up. This is pain along the inside of your elbow. Lower it slowly. Other hand, lift it up. Slowly lift up. Here is some of the treatment that we would do on the muscles and the fascia to help loosen it up and increase in blood flow to help promote some healing. First, we want to do a pin and stretch. A pin and stretch is not just a general stretch, but it's a very specific stretch to different parts of the muscle that are tight and that may be related to the tendinopathy. You're going to do that by just using your fingers. You're going to search the muscle. You're going to find out where any tender spots are. You'll feel the tender spots. When you find those tender spots, you'll apply a little pressure with your fingers, maybe your thumb, bend your wrist up, bend your elbow, and as you are applying pressure, you're going to lengthen that arm out, that muscle out. Lengthen it out by lengthening the elbow and bending the wrist in the opposite direction. That's the pin and stretch, something you can definitely do at home with yourself. You want to do right on the muscle belly. Then we have some Graston tools or some instruments to help scrape the muscles, loosen up the fascia, increase some blood flow. Scrape it just for not very long, maybe a minute or two. And do that with some muscle movement as well, wrist movement as well. We'll do that. We get some cups. Some cups can help lift off that top layer of skin, which can then increase some blood flow to the area, which will promote some healing because blood can help heal the area. So apply a cup to that tender area. We'll probably do a couple cups for what we'll hold, and then do some elbow and wrist motion along with it. The next thing we want to do is to evaluate your swing. We want to see if any part of your swing is contributing to your tennis elbow. If you tend to chicken wing on your downswing, or cast. That can contribute to the elbow pain. We want to work things out so you can cut that out of your swing so that you don't have to deal with this year after year after year. Give those things a try. Try these things at home. If you're not getting anywhere with it, come and see us. We'll evaluate you to make sure it is coming from the elbow, or if it's coming from the neck, we can rule those out. We can evaluate your swing and see if it's coming from your swing, and we'll work on you to get you back to golf and enjoying this for this year and for years to come.